is a 7.5 kilowatts, which is a 10 horsepower. You can see the inside separator. This is the motor. How do I see this? The motor was connected with a belt coupling with the air in. And this is the air filter. The all is stainless steels. It is customized for a customer that have inverted. Will have inverted the contacts, and also the PLC is made 60 and 90. Yeah. Beautiful finish, right? So for more information, please contact me at china compressor.org. Thank you.